Hey, welcome back to Roost Vans, everybody. I'm excited about this build because it's a 2007 144 Mercedes Sprinter. Now, what I like so much about the 2007 is it's the new style, well, not new, the old new style of Sprinter van. It's a diesel without a DEV system. So some people may ask, hey, why would you put a whole bunch of money in a beautiful rebuild and van conversion of an old van like this? It's almost 20 years old. Well, it's because it's a diesel without a DEV system, and the thing will run forever. What we end up doing on this was a pretty full core build. We put in our mounting system, paneling system, put in a vent fan, some upper cabinetry. We put in also our strap-up bed system and a 3-panel flip-up kit bed system as well. Now, you can see that there's a 3-person bench seat in here with a articulating table and a couple of front swivels. And what that gives this client of ours is the ability to transport his 3 children in a 144 wheelbase with an opportunity to sleep at night and with an opportunity to have a nice simple sink with under cabinetry lighting, ceiling lighting, and of course an S-bar heater system. Now inside, it's one of our simple builds so that we have a 7-gallon water tank, and we went ahead and squeezed a Goal Zero power station underneath the bench. And what you can see here is a simple Goal Zero 1500 power system that provides plenty of power for everything he needs. The flip-up kit bed system that gives him a nice deep sofa. This strap-up bed system, as well as a little bit of overhead storage for all the window covers that we got from Van Essentials, gives this rig a great opportunity to house a family of 5 for many days while they're out on the road. Well, check us out at roostvans.com and come to our Portland, Oregon shop, and we'll take care of you.